You see a bright pink rice ball wrapped in green leaves and assume it's dyed with food coloring. But what if I told you that for centuries, this beloved spring dessert was actually white? Let's uncover the surprising history of why Sakura Mochi is pink today. First, let's define what we are looking at. Sakura Mochi is a traditional Japanese sweet rice cake filled with red bean paste and wrapped in an edible pickled cherry blossom leaf. It is iconic for Girls' Day and spring viewing. The pink color comes from the real flower itself. The leaves are soaked in brine during pickling, extracting natural anthocyanins which dye the rice, a soft pink as it absorbs the liquid over time. However, this wasn't always the case. The original recipe at Chomeji, Yamamoto-ya in Tokyo, a shop that has been in business for generations, actually used white rice flour and produced a completely white mochi. When the shopkeeper was asked why they stopped making it pink, he explained that their original white version was the normal standard for a store with such a long history of traditional production. Interestingly, other regions like Sai have their own versions. The Domyojiko style is also pink and chewy, proving that while the color varies by region, the connection to spring remains universal. Today, we mostly see the pink version because it visually mimics the blooming cherry blossoms, turning a simple sweet treat into a moving symbol of the season. So the pink isn't just dye, it's a natural result of pickling and later became a cultural symbol of spring. What other traditional foods have surprising origins? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives.